Hello and welcome to cookingflavors.com. Our channel is aimed at teaching beginners the ABCs of Indian cooking. We bring to you the very basic, simple, easy to learn and cook recipes and a guide to the most essential cooking strategies. Keep watching and enjoy our recipes. For today's recipe, we look at the preparation of yet another simple and easy carrot puttu, which is otherwise called as carrot pidipu in Telugu. There are very few ingredients that are needed for this, just about 5 or 6 ingredients. Now I've taken a kadai and added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We'll wait for the oil to get hot. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding in a lot of garlic and green chilies. Green chilies are the only source of spice and heat in this dish, so adjust green chilies according to your spice level. Now this dish calls in for a lot of garlic. If you don't like that much of garlic, you can limit the garlic. Now I've added a few coriander leaves. Adding coriander leaves directly into the oil gives it a very good flavor to your dish. Once the coriander leaves have sauteed, I'm adding in the chopped onions. Add a lot of chopped onions. Always add onions a little more than the amount of grated carrots that you have. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt for the quick frying and sauteing of the onions. We'll stir that a little and wait for the raw smell of the onions to go away. Once that has been done, I'm adding in just about a pinch of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is totally optional here, but if you add it, it gives you an enhanced flavor and taste. So we'll saute that a little and wait for just about a minute or so for the raw smell of the turmeric powder to go away. Now once the onions have been sauteed well with the turmeric powder, this is the carrot that I have taken. I have grated this carrots finely, taken just about 5 to 6 big carrots. Always when you have a grater, most of the graters will have the bigger blades and the smaller blades. Preferably use the smaller blades for this recipe. You will get finely shredded carrots. Now we'll add in the carrots here. Along with the carrots, I'm adding a little bit of salt. Remember, I've added some salt while sauteing the onions also. The amount of carrot looks a lot here. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how much of salt to use, add little. Let the carrots shrink for some time and then add some more. Now I'm covering it with a lid and will allow the carrots to cook for some time. Now it's been around 13 to 15 minutes, but in between, after about 7 or 8 minutes, I opened the lid and checked if my carrots were cooked. It was still a little crunchy. So in between, once or twice you have to open the lid and check whether it's cooked or not. Now after 13 to 15 minutes, it's perfectly cooked. It's nice and tender and soft. For this dish, it should be nice and tender and soft. Now the cooking part is over. We have to keep frying this on a little higher flame. At this point, if you find the oil is a little less, you can just add a teaspoon of oil around the carrot and you can keep frying it. You have to fry this on high flame. It will take approximately just about 3 to 5 minutes on high flame. Now we'll add in a few coriander leaves so that while you're frying, these coriander leaves will combine well with the carrots and they will fry along and they will give you a beautiful taste and aroma to your dish. So once the frying part is done, the dish is complete and over to be served. So as I told you, this is a very simple and easy recipe. All you have to do is you have to grate your carrots. You can do that the previous night and the next day morning, on a busy morning, you can cook this carrot pidipu very fast. This is best eaten with the sambar rice, rasam rice or curd rice or even with chapatis. But I like it best with a plate of steaming hot white rice, a teaspoon of ghee and lots of this carrot into your rice and you have to mix it and it tastes heavenly. So that essentially becomes an easy carrot rice recipe. This carrot pidipu recipe is a sure hit even with non-carrot lovers. If your kids don't like carrot, make this carrot pidipu, mix it with rice and give them for lunch to school. Hope you enjoyed this simple, tasty and easy carrot puttu or carrot pidipu recipe. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and post in your comments and suggestions. Hit the like button to keep encouraging us. You can also visit us at cookingflavors.com for detailed recipes with tips and suggestions. You can also follow us on Google+. Once again, I thank all my subscribers for continuously encouraging me. Till we see you again with another new and interesting recipe, thank you and happy cooking.